Mewing is a technique that some people use to improve their jawline and overall facial structure. It was named after John Mew, an orthodontist who was taught this method. Mewing involves placing your tongue against the roof of your mouth and keeping it there while breathing through your nose. Many people believe that mewing can help with how your face looks, especially as you grow. But you're going to do that 24/7 or what? By practicing mewing regularly, some say it can help make the jawline more defined and improve the alignment of your teeth. It's important to remember, though, that this technique is not a quick fix. It takes time and consistency. Mewing is also about good posture. Keeping your head up and your neck straight can support the benefits of mewing. Some people share their mewing experiences online, showing before and after pictures to show any changes. While many enjoy this, trying mewing, it's a good idea to talk to a dentist or to an orthodontist before starting, especially if you have concerns about your overall teeth and jaw. Overall, mewing is a fun way that some people try to improve their appearance, but it's important to remember that everyone's face is unique.